Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nashwal Shilvint and I upload a lot of crazy content here on YouTube. So please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of my videos. Also, this is my Instagram handle. Please go follow me there because I upload a lot of videos over there too. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into today's video.
One, two, three, funk it.
Days back, I was just scrolling through my Pinterest saves and I found out this picture which I clearly remember. I wanted to recreate this wall art thing so bad, but that never really happened, and I thought of recreating it now. Although this is going to be my first time doing canvas painting, but I thought of giving it a shot and recreate this because I really wanted to do this. Also, we have recently shifted to this new place, and me and my sister are going to share this room. So, yeah, we both thought that this would look really cool and aesthetic over the bed on this wall. I thought of taking you guys along with me through the whole process, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And also, you guys can be the judges too. Like, you can let me know in the comment section if I nailed this recreation or I totally failed at it. But yeah, that's about it. Let's just get into the video.
So I started off with the pretty basic aesthetic sort of a painting. It has these three butterflies and very neutral colors, and that's the reason I liked it. I found it on my Pinterest board, and yeah, I just straight away copied it, and that's about it. For my second painting, I chose this plant one. I filled up its background with this pretty bright yellow color. Although I don't like this much bright colors, but yeah, my sister is also going to be in this room and she likes all the bright colors. So yeah, that's why I chose this one. Some behind the scenes that my sister recorded, so I didn't film the other ones because it was pretty hectic to film and paint at the same time, the camera angle and stuff like that. So yeah, here are the final paintings, all of them that I did. Yeah, enjoy. I also printed out these posters that I really liked from Pinterest. Then I just simply stick all the canvas on the wall using a double tape, or you can use a 3M tape as well. It won't damage your walls. One tip that I would like to give, that first lay down all of your paintings on the ground and see if you like the arrangement or not, and then only go on the wall. And yeah, this is how the wall art thing has turned out to be. I hope you all liked this video and enjoyed it. If you did, then please comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for further such videos. Thank you for watching.